Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a sliding knot bracelet with a charm. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You will need about 24 inches of durable cord, like waxed cotton or nylon, and a charm with a small loop. Don't forget a pair of sharp scissors and a ruler to ensure accurate measurements. Having everything ready makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. We'll start by preparing our cord for the charm attachment. Now, let's attach your beautiful charm to the cord. Take your 24-inch cord and fold it exactly in half, finding the midpoint. Thread this folded loop through the jump ring of your charm. Then, bring the two loose ends of the cord back through the loop you just created. Gently pull both ends of the cord until the charm is securely fastened at the center. This method ensures your charm stays perfectly in place as you wear your new bracelet. Next, we'll create the essential sliding knots that make this bracelet adjustable. Overlap the two main cord ends by approximately 2 inches. Take a separate, shorter piece of cord, about 5 inches long, and use it to tie a series of square knots around both main cords. Wrap the 5-inch cord over, under, and through, then repeat on the other side. Aim for 3 to 4 tight knots to ensure a strong and reliable sliding mechanism. This forms the first part of your adjustable closure. To finish your bracelet, carefully trim the excess ends of the 5-inch knotting cord, leaving just a tiny bit. For added durability, you can apply a very small drop of clear craft glue to these trimmed ends. Now, repeat the entire knotting process on the other side of the bracelet, creating a second sliding knot. Once both knots are complete, gently pull them to test the adjustment. Your charm bracelet is now ready to wear, offering a perfect, customizable fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.